Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mamaboi'skitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, I'm going to show you how to make bread in a skillet. We are not going to use oven here guys. We're gonna use stovetop to make this incredibly good bread. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. Into a bowl of a stand mixer, combine water. I'm using lukewarm water guys, followed by sugar. We're gonna also add in yeast. I'm using instant yeast guys. We're gonna add salt, add olive oil. You can use vegetable oil or canola oil guys. Then we're gonna add flour. I'm using bread flour guys. Then attach the dough hook and mix for 5 minutes. I'm so excited to make this bread guys. You know, stovetop uses the same principles as oven baking, even dry heat that is far enough away from the pan and that won't burn your bread. So to achieve this guys, you need low flame and a heavy bottom pot with a lid. So I would recommend you use a Dutch oven or cast iron skillet for this recipe. After 5 minutes, remove the dough from the mixer. Knead it for 2 minutes, tucking it underneath. Let me flip it and show you what I'm doing guys. I'm bringing the sides of the dough into the middle. Shape the dough into a round ball, then place it in a greased mixing bowl. Then cover with a clean kitchen towel and let it ferment for 25 minutes. It's been 25 minutes guys. Here I'm using my cast iron skillet. I'm gonna go ahead and grease it with olive oil. Make sure you also grease the sides. Next, place the dough on a greased skillet. Then lightly press down the dough to release all the air bubbles and also to spread it across the pan. That looks good. Now we're gonna cover the dough with a clean kitchen towel and let it proof for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes, this is how the dough should look. Now we're gonna turn on the heat on medium-low, then bake the dough covered for 20 minutes. After 25 minutes, take a plate the size of the skillet, grease it with oil. I'm using a non-cooking spray guys here. Then flip the dough and put it back in the pan. Then continue to cook the dough again for 15 minutes on the other side. This is a simple recipe guys. I know you will love it. There you have it guys, cast iron skillet stovetop bread. Let me cut it guys to show you how it turned out. So good. Look at that. So good. Let me try it. It's so good. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and you'll try it. Just give it a like. Don't forget to subscribe and to hit that notification bell so we stay connected. Share my videos with your friends and your family. Thanks for watching, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.